In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Research Mission 2020 MCQs, that is while solving a partial differential equation using a variable separable method, we equate the ratio to a constant. The constant solution, that is while solving a partial differential equation using a variable separable method, we equate the ratio to a constant. This constant can be positive, negative, rational number or zero. So option B is correct, that is can be positive or negative, rational number or zero. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.